Woo-hoo! Now the valves are open, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, you ready? This time I will. What's good, fam? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. We got Abby here getting us smoothies. Thanks, sweetie. You get the same thing? Oh, okay. What did you get?
Mine is kind of watery.
Is it? Did you try mine?
No, not yet. I have to open the straws.
I swear these are the hardest to open straws of any freaking restaurant ever. So I'm gonna put in home, okay? And then I can drop you off and get some footage on the way. All right, perfect. All right, guys, it's kind of a rainy day. I'm gonna turn the burbles off because on a rainy day, clean sound is better than that loud, aggressive sound, I would say. Yeah. Let's see. Wanna have a little fun, Abby? The car turned completely quiet. I didn't even hear a thing. It's because the valves were closed. Now the valves are open, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, what's it? Strawberry?
Watery.
What's the flavor? Bahama Mama?
It's not very good today.
Needs thicker, yeah, it needs more like cream. Yeah, it's kind of inconsistent how they make them.
Yours, I like yours, it's thicker.
Yeah, sure.
But it also, it doesn't have a lot of flavor right now.
Yeah, the Bahama Mama has more sugar. So for everyone watching, what would you rather have? A loft that's like 2 floors, right? Plenty of natural light. Or would you rather live on one of the top floors of a luxury apartment? Most of those will not have, you know, loft style housing. Lofts will generally be like on the 1st or 2nd floor, maybe up to like 5th or 6th in a mid-story building, mid-rise building. But I kind of, after living in a bunch of different apartments, I think a loft would be really nice. Because having 2 floors to separate the living room and the sleeping area is probably really nice when you think about being able to entertain people in a space on a floor that's not the same floor as where, you know, you go to sleep. Definitely feel the car slipping because we are in rear-wheel drive, guys, with everything off. And this is something you have to develop, which is understanding where the tires are going to slip, when, how much. And I could absolutely send the car sideways if I just put the accelerator down right now, because there's just not enough traction in the back. But now I put it into four-wheel drive sport. In fourth gear, there's plenty of traction. A little bit of slip there. You felt that, huh? And then I can tap M1 again to completely go into four-wheel drive with traction and stability on, which feels super stable. Like this, with this weather, with the tires that I have on, the Hancooks, you could do four-wheel drive probably up to 90, 95 miles an hour, no problem without slipping. Four-wheel drive sport is already slipping at like 70 miles an hour, and rear-wheel drive will start slipping at like 40 miles an hour. On some surfaces in Atlanta, the water just sticks and puddles. Other surfaces it runs off. I think that's why this city is really dangerous, because a lot of oil builds up, and then in those puddles you just basically have oil spills. So cars slide like crazy when they hit those wet spots. Series convertible, but not an M4. I heard that the designer of BMW just went to Rolls-Royce, so that's pretty funny. I wonder who the new BMW designer will be. It's so thick. We need to like combine them.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Maybe pour some weirder than mine.
see how much traction that had? That was amazing. Did you see that? The car didn't even lose traction. That's incredible, guys. Great traction in the rain on that one. All right, you ready? This time I will. Really gotta manhandle it, guys. We're back in four-wheel drive now. You can really feel the difference when you switch between the M1, which is four-wheel drive sport, and then you go right back into regular four-wheel drive. Bless you. There is a lot of standing water on this road. It's not really draining to either side. There used to be a huge standing puddle of water here because there was no drainage, but I think they fixed it right where this Amtrak sign is. Oh, still a lot of water right there. And a box. They finally fixed all this. They added a shoulder. I mean, like,
Is that why they
it's a wide shoulder, I guess.
Maybe there were a lot of accidents.
There was a lot of accidents over here. This was blocked off for probably 2 months, guys. Maybe more, actually. Just take this turn really fast and just look at you while turning it. Wouldn't want to get you too scared, you know? A food tasting? I think once, yeah. There's plenty of dishes, small bites.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's almost like you get to experience most of the menu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like 95. It's a bunch of different restaurants, they said.
Nice. And they're hosting it at the Epicurean?
Yeah.
That's sweet.